Moon represents wisdom, intellect, creativity, innovation. So lots of creative skills and mindset, decision making power are achieved only when the mount of moon is very prominent and having a very fortunate signs on the mount of moon. Because mount of moon also represent tension, stress. The reason is that, suppose for example the ocean is not still like a river water, right? So it is always ups and downs. So in the same way, it is mind is like a wavery mind. If the mount of moon is very prominent with a very good fortune lines or fortunate signs or symbols, then it can amplify your energy, amplify your wisdom, intellect, intelligence, creativity to make and achieve the success using that creativity and innovation skills that you have. Generally, it is found on the hands of writers, orators, very creative person, can be an engineer also, can be a scientist also. So there are lots of things that can be achieved if you have this sign, whether you will get success from your native land, native country or from foreign country. So I am going to discuss about all these things in this video. Stay tuned till end so that you all get information till the last with full clarity. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Bhagavan Shishatasavabhaya Namah, Suryaya Namah, Shanishwaraya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astrologer Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Now, coming to the mount of moon. As I have mentioned that the mount of moon is, this is the mount of moon. This mount of moon is very, very important because it gives a mental peace, satisfaction, also the ambitions that we want to achieve, it controls that also. So there are lots of things that can be achieved if the mount of moon is fortunate and prominent enough. It is not necessary always that you have to get a good sign in the mount of moon. If the mount of moon is prominent and having no bad sign, then also it is said to be prominent and also gives you lots of wisdom and energy and success because of your creativity, because of your own decision making power. So this is also very, very true and very, very successful mount that can be. People generally ignore that the mount of moon is not so important, but just focus on Jupiter, Sun, Saturn, other mounts having a good sign, but also we need to focus and see what mount of moon consists in your hand. So that is also very, very important. Now first sign that I am going to discuss is the triangle. So generally triangle cannot be this much big, can be suppose this much only, this much. It is also okay. Whether the small triangle or bigger, more bigger, more better result, more better accuracy and more better response that you will get from the mount of moon. Now, if the mount of moon having a triangle and that is very prominent without any disturbances, then it generally, you can say, and without any doubt you can consider that you are very, very fortunate and you have a very good intellect and wisdom and very much intelligent and smart brain. Lots of creative ideas, lots of creative mindset you have, and you will be able to use that. People know that. Suppose you can be a very, very good writer who can influence people, or maybe your writing skill will be so much that people will read and people will enjoy and get benefit from it. This is one of the things. Suppose you are an engineer and your creative things can make another person very influential, or maybe your product will be very successful and you will get success, and maybe because of that you will get lots of success and fame and money in your life. That is also very much possible. So these are the normal description of the triangle that can be there in your hand, and if it is there, then it is, you are the most fortunate person in this world to having a triangle in the mount of moon. Now the next sign is the star. As you know that I have mentioned in most of the videos that star is very, very good and very, very influential and gives very good success in your life. Yeah, it holds true for this star on the mount of moon also, but there is a little negativity also. Negative things can also happen because of star. So I will tell the negative first, then the positive. If the star is there, then you must be very cautious to go to river or ocean, because there can be some serious danger from water. You should definitely know the swimming if you have a star on the mount of moon, because sometimes some accident can happen. And try to avoid any hilly areas or the waterfall, because maybe there can be some danger that is definitely seen in your hand. Of course, you need to see and consider other mounts and the lifeline mostly. So this is the negative of the star. But if the star is there, then also it has a very good positive impact. What is that? It will give you a very good sudden success in your life, and definitely you will be very famous worldwide, not only national or from your native place. You will get success worldwide, international name and fame you will be able to get in your life because of the star that can be present in the mount of moon. Now this moon, a star having the mount of moon also has a very unique characteristics. What is that? It gives you so much confidence in your life that you will be able to get very good success exponentially in a very short period of time. So that makes the star very, very unique in the mount of moon. People who having the star must be in foreign country. Mostly it is seen. I have seen lots of my clients' hand who has the star on the mount of moon. Although I cannot show them in the video because of privacy reason, but they have it. Believe me, if you have that, then you were one of the most successful person that is coming after some days or some months, some weeks, like that. So you will be very, very lucky if you have the star on the mount of moon. Now another thing is that is the square sign. Generally, as you know, the square represents the protection from accident, protection from enemy. But what it signifies mostly in this mount, protection in various form can come when the square is there in this mount of moon. Now if you have a square, then it must be very much sure that you are very imaginative. Imagination and creativity is full of energy with you, but it can be over sometime, which can be a worry for you. So if the square is there in the mount of moon, then it will reduce our imagination and it will reduce the worries in your life, and it will control the imagination and will try to put you in a proper use. Although any sign that I have told right now will amplify your energy, amplify your skill, amplify your ability to create and innovate something. You can be a scientist also in some day, maybe some invention can be there from yourself. So that is also possible. So there are lots of benefit of having the square in the mount of moon. Now a very, very auspicious sign, that is the trident. Now what is the benefit of having the trident? Trident generally are having trident people are very, very highly successful. Not only little success, very, very highly successful. Generally it has been seen that this success is achieved because of the opposite gender. It can be anyone. It is not necessary that it can or it has to be your own partner. It can be some other person also, which can be opposite gender. So you don't take this negatively that you will get benefit from some other thing. Don't take negative. I don't want to mean that. Success, career, money, everything can be achieved from other person or other support. So support from other sources will be achieved if this type of trident is there in the mount of moon. Now there are 2-3 negative signs also is possible. It's a mole is there or a griddle is there. So some anxiety, hypertension, stress, and danger from water. These are the signs that is possible whenever you have the mole or the trident, mole or the griddle in the mount of moon. Try to control your ambitions, because some dissatisfaction can come to your life because of the things that you want to do or you are doing. So there can be lots of things that can be happening, and try to control your stress and tension. That is very much possible, because whenever you have this type of griddle or a mole on the mount of moon, generally lots of unnecessary stress comes to your life. So that can be possible. So try to overcome that if possible, and try to do the remedies. Simple remedies that you can follow is to chant the moon mantra, the Chandra mantra. Also you can worship Lord Shiva. That is one of the most important remedy of moon. And also chant Mahamrityunjay mantra or Om Namah Shivaya mantra. If you believe in this religion or if you want to chant on this, then it is possible. that you have to and you should do the remedies to maximize and to make the positivity or the positive things of the moon. Suppose you don't want to do these mantras, then what you should do? You can donate curd ice cream to the needy people, donate white cloths to the needy people, mostly the widow or some other old citizen people. Then it will help you to amplify and make more positivity out of the moon mount. So that is also possible. If these two remedies are not useful or you cannot do it, then just let me know in the comment inbox. I can also give you some other suggestion if possible. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you and you like and share with your friends so that everyone can enjoy this and can take the benefit of the videos that I am making. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. If you want a paid consultation from me, then you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.